So friends, today we are going to study the Lissaj's figure using CRO. For this experiment, we require one transformer, one cathode ray oscilloscope and the multi-waveform signal generator or audio frequency generator, that is AFG. For this, we have to connect the X plate input to the frequency generator, and Y plate input to the transformer. So here you can see I have connected, or I have given the output of AFG, that is frequency generator, to the function, okay, and I have switched on the sine wave input. Okay. Now we have to apply the frequency of 50 hertz. We have to apply the frequency of 50 hertz. Now I have applied frequency of 50 hertz and I am getting a single loop on CRO. You can clearly observe I am getting a single loop on CRO for the application of 50 hertz frequency. Okay, this is the observation table for the study of Lissaj's figure using CRO. In the first column we have observation number, and in the second column we have applied frequency, that is we have applied 50 hertz to the X plate. And here are the CRO measurements. NH is the number of horizontal loops. And NV is the number of vertical loop. Here we can clearly see the single loop, that is number of vertical and number of horizontal loop is a single loop, that is NH is equal to NV is equal to 1 for the application of 50 hertz frequency. So for the application of 50 hertz frequency at X plate, we have number of horizontal loops is 1 and number of vertical loop is 1. For the unknown frequency, for the applied unknown frequency, we are applying unknown frequency with the transformer. For unknown frequency, fx, what is fx? Fx is 50 into nh upon nv, that is 1 by 1, that is equal to 50 hertz. We are applying 50 hertz frequency at the X plate and we are determining the unknown frequency, which is 50 hertz. We will increase the frequency by 50 hertz. Now the applied frequency is 100 hertz. For the application of 100 hertz frequency, we are getting two vertical loops. And single horizontal loop. Now we got number of horizontal loops 1 and number of vertical loops 2. Therefore, according to the formula, applied frequency, that is fx, is 100 hertz and nh, that is 1 divided by nv, that is 2, which is equal to 1/2 100 is 50 hertz. Now I will increase the frequency by 50 hertz, that is now the known frequency by audio frequency generator. I have applied 150 hertz. Now in CRO I am getting 3 vertical loops. That is 1, 2 and 3, and number of horizontal loops are 1 single loop. Okay. Now as we get for the application of 150 Hz frequency, we get one horizontal loop and 3 vertical loops. Okay. Then according to the formula, Fx is 150 into bracket NH, that is 1 divided by NV, that is 3. 1/3 of 150 is 50 Hertz. Okay. So we varies the applied frequency on X plate and the unknown, determining the unknown frequency on Y plate. Okay. So we get every time 50 Hertz. That is the reason why we are getting 50 Hertz frequency for household appliances. This is nothing but the frequency of AC mains which we are getting for the laboratory purpose or for the household appliances. 50 Hertz is the frequency of household appliances.